Hey guys, it's George here from ArcheeDrums. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a linear drum fill. Now, for you guys that aren't really too sure what a linear drum fill is, linear in drumming terms is basically when we never play two limbs at the same time. So every note we play is on a different limb. So the exercise and the fill that we're going to be looking at today is just 8 notes long. But what we do is repeat these 8 notes to make up 16 16th notes. So the pattern we're going to be looking at, the one I was playing in the introduction of this video, is just kick, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. And then we just repeat that pattern over and over again. So the first thing we're going to do is just get this pattern down at a nice slow tempo. The reason we play this so slow is so that we can really internalize what is going on and allow ourselves to really understand the placement of each note. So we're going to go kick, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. We count this 1E under, 2E under. Alright guys, so the first exercise we're going to do is just play the 1E under, 2E under. Then we're going to rest on beats 3 and 4. And again guys, don't forget, once we've got these 8 notes down, all we've got to do is keep repeating this. So let's jump straight in now at 50 BPM. Awesome guys, so that's the pattern down. What I want you to do now is keep on practicing that until you can't get it wrong. Make sure you feel like it really is internalized, and then you know you're ready to move on. So what we're going to do now is play the 8 notes again and then just repeat it straight away, straight after it. And then we're going to rest for a whole bar. So we're going to have 1 bar of drum fill, 1 bar rest. It sounds like this. Alright guys, so I hope you got that down. If you are struggling with this, just pause the video and keep repeating this. And keep repeating this. Next, we're going to just keep on looping this over and over again. We're going to have no rest whatsoever. Again, we're going to do this now at 60 BPM, so we're going to speed up a slight bit. We're going to keep on looping this round with no stops. Let's do this. Okay guys, so we've got the easy bit out of the way, we've got the pattern down, we've got it internalized. We're now going to start orchestrating this around the drum kit, making it a bit more interesting. So all we're going to do is keep everything the exact same, except from on the and the of 1 and also 3, we're going to put them on the toms. So we're going to go 1E on the snare and on the high tom, back to the snare for the 2E and We're then going to go 3E and on the floor tom, and back to the snare for 4E and Let's do that. We're going to keep looping over and over again, this time at 60 BPM. Alright guys, so that's awesome. I hope you got that down. We're going to spice this up a little bit more now. We're going to go a little bit further on. So what we're going to do now is, when we come up to the high tom for the and the a of 1, we're then going to play beats 2 on the high tom, and come down to the floor tom for the e, the and the a. And I'm just going to keep on repeating that pattern over and over again. This is a great fill, guys, and I use this all the time. It sounds like this. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you got something from this video. If you've got any questions at all, just fire them away down in the comments section. And also, if you've not already, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you're seeing. Also guys, this is just my YouTube video, my channel. I try and give as much free content out as I can. I have actually got a few more courses and lessons more in depth on the ArcheeDrums.com website, so feel free to go over there and check them out. We've got a great community of people and students that are already going through the courses. And yeah, it's just a really cool place to hang out and get some more in-depth training. There's only so much we can do on YouTube, so I hope you appreciate that. But I hope you got a lot from this lesson, guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.